Hello, and thank you for your interest in the UBuildIt franchise opportunity. My name is David Rakoskis. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the company, and today I'm here to tell you a little bit about what UBuildIt is. UBuildIt is a construction consulting firm that provides professional guidance and resources to individuals who want to build or remodel their homes. We were founded in 1998, and the company has grown to become a leading provider of construction consulting services, helping clients across the United States to achieve their dream homes without the hassle and stress of managing the construction process alone. UBuildIt offers a unique approach to home construction that empowers homeowners to take control of their building projects. Our company provides a range of services including customized home design, project planning and management, cost estimation, and on-site construction guidance. UBuildIt also offers a network of preferred vendors and subcontractors, ensuring that clients have access to high-quality materials and services at competitive prices. With UBuildIt, homeowners are able to save money and achieve greater control over their construction projects. The company's experienced consultants provide expert guidance throughout the entire building process, from initial planning to final construction. We work closely with clients to ensure that their vision for their dream home is brought to life, while also helping them to stay within their budget and timeline. Overall, UBuildIt provides a valuable service to individuals who want to build or remodel their homes, offering a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional construction methods. Whether you're looking to build a new home from scratch or remodel an existing one, UBuildIt can help you achieve your goals and create the home of your dreams.